recording. The rain's coming. Hey Josh, look at that side.
Yeah. Wow.
Wow, it's getting too dark.
Can you see it though? Oh my God. Wow, it's still on the ground. Look at all
Yeah.
that.
Do I want to go?
No, I want to get mine. In fact, babe, yes. Yes, let's get closer.
Whoa!
Power flashes. We're heading east, Highway 34, east of Grand Island. Big tornado on the ground.
Whoa!
Oh my God, it's like a wedge!
Yeah!
Wedge tornado on the ground, Highway 34, east of Grand Island.
We need to turn here, right?
Yep. Oh my God. Yeah, this is where the whole party is. Oh my God, but those guys are still going straight.
No, let's just turn here. I don't want to go straight.
Yeah, we'll get a good view here. Slow down and then turn. Slow down.
Wow.
Tornado on the ground. Where are we? Highway 34, 10 miles west of Aurora. 10 miles west of Aurora.
Holy cow.
I'll try to do a movie mode.
A lot of that's rain, man.
Wow.
Wow.
This is amazing.
Are you filming? You getting a good view?
Yeah? Wow, this thing's crazy.
I think we keep going. Let's go.
Yeah, I think we need to get a little bit closer. Are you able to zoom in pretty close?
Yeah?
And it doesn't look too dark, right? I think it's supposed to be. You want to keep moving?
Wow, this is a good view.
Oh my God, look at that cone. Between Grand Island and Aurora, Highway 34. Tornado.
I know. Cross. Oh my God. Finally. Our chase is finally paying off.
Wow.
Are you actually getting pictures too?
No, I'm filming.
Yeah, the pictures probably won't turn out.
Am I filming?
No.
What?
You gotta push the trigger button to film.
Oh, shoot. Now?
There you go, now it's filming. Here's the structure.
Picture doesn't work. More intense, man.
Tornado, Aurora, Nebraska.
Should I pull off here?
Wait and see what these other vehicles are doing.
I think they just stopped it.
Continue to move to the east.
Big tornado, maybe a half-mile wide. We saw power flashes. It appears it might be actually hitting Aurora right now.
Wow. Come on, it's broken!
Power lines down. We're in the path of the tornado here.
Look at this one, it's broken.
So if you're in this
On this
portion
side?
of the list
That
here,
side? That one
please
too?
Yep.
Shelter now. 'Cause this storm
Oh my
is
goodness.
very dangerous as it makes its way over towards the east.
Keep
Look
going.
at that.
Not only
Yep,
do we
keep
have
going.
that tornado
You feel,
warning,
huh?
but we
Yep.
still have the severe thunderstorm warning for the north end of the storm.
Emergency vehicles all heading towards
Central
Aurora.
Hamilton
Oh
County
my
from
goodness.
9:30.
Oh, look at that, it's all broken.
It looks like it could be changed to a tornado
Wow.
warning soon, but we
This
still
is
have
where
the
it
severe
was when we
thunderstorm
were
warning for
watching
southern
earlier.
Wow, look at that. I told you it's all broken.
But as it
Here's that storm. Possibly still has a tornado on the ground heading towards Aurora. They've issued a tornado emergency for the city of Aurora. Power lines down. We saw power flashes a little bit earlier.
And your house is a next best option. Away from windows, of course. The tornado
Oh.
is going to just rip through any windows that you may have in between you and the tornado. The old wives' tale about open all the windows before the tornado comes. That is not a valid thing. Situation in Hamilton County and that tornado that is on the ground. We'll wait for the National Weather Service.
The National Weather Service in Hastings has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Hamilton County, northwestern New York County until 10:15 p.m. At 9:24 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists were tracking a severe thunderstorm capable of producing golf ball-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Hampton, or 17 miles west of York, and moving east at 20 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Bradstrom around 9:50 p.m., Benedict around 10:10 p.m. A tornado warning is still in effect for central Hamilton County until 9:45 p.m. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska, Hamilton, and York.
9:31 on the breeze, 94.5, and also online at W.